everyone. Welcome to the exhibitor booth for Excel TV at the Global Excel Summit 2021. At Excel TV, we help you excel your skills, your career, and your business so that you dominate data, you land that perfect job, and you save money. In short, we believe that it's our job to make you the hero within your organization. But to give you a better idea of how we do that and how we help you to excel yourself, let's show you our website and show you some special offers we have for you today. I'm on the main page now at Excel TV. That's excel.tv. And you can see some of our customers here from University of Cincinnati, other places. And I want to get into some of our episodes here because this is one of the things that makes us different. So as you go up to the top of our website, you'll see Excel TV episodes. And basically what happened is about 4 or 5 years or so ago, me and some of my friends in the Excel community said, why don't we create an Excel TV talk show, in a talk show format, and grab the people out there in the industry who write all of the books, who run most of the businesses at Excel, etc., and ask them how they went about starting their business. How did they go about making all of this happen? What was it that helped to catapult their careers? Now, as I go through this, you're going to see a lot of names that are very familiar to you, a lot of faces that are very familiar to you, because these are a lot of the same people who are at this conference and are speaking at this conference. First off, the Excel TV ambassador, we talked with him just a few weeks ago. You'll see this episode 50 for freelancers. See, Azdu Saleh was also one of our hosts for many of our episodes, but one of the very first episode we ever did. So you see, season 4, we had 3 episodes. Season 3, I think Daniel Stein Fairhurst is at this conference. I believe John Micheludis at My Excel Online is here. And you'll see whenever we have more than too many, or whenever we have several of these episodes, we actually have a button here so that you can see more of those. As an example, Ken Poles is speaking at this conference. I believe Benda Tracy is here as well. I believe John Akampor from Excel Campus is here as well. Again, Oz again. But if you wanted to look at all the different episodes, you can click that button. They'll show you the episodes for season 2. We have Miko Yuck here, Sylvia Uhas, and quite a few gurus in the Excel community. As we scroll back up, we'll go over to season 1. And again, you'll see all of the experts that are out in the field, from John Peltier, one of the chart masters, to Zach Parisi, to, of course, Excel is Fun with Mike Gerben, very popular YouTube channel, and Chandu, and people who helped us out with our very first episodes as we were getting our feet wet. And we also have a season 0 where we have some of the pilots. Now, I know Bob Umlas is here at this conference as well. So the reason I tell you all this is to go in and just take a look at some of the free content. And this is a way of helping you to excel in your job and in the industry. But as we scroll up, you'll also see some of the other things that are special about Excel TV. You go over to our blog area, and we update this on a regular basis, pretty much a weekly basis. Everything from tips to even how do you do things better within your job. How do you go, in this case, Monte Carlo simulation in Excel with a Poisson distribution. So some of the more advanced topics. And let's move back from the blog and go to see one of the things that's kind of popular about us is our Excel TV Academy. Now, what we did for a while is we just started creating different courses, just one-off courses, and that's not really all that uncommon in the Excel industry. However, we decided, why don't we just make an academy out of it, to where there's a monthly subscription, and whenever it's not right for you, you can just opt out of the subscription. So let's give you an idea of what that looks like in some of the courses. So these are some of our friends in the industry who tend to think quite a bit about us. As we scroll up here, I'm going to go ahead and log in and give you an idea of what that looks like. So we'll go to student login, log into the Excel TV Academy. And this will take you directly to the Excel TV Academy, where we have a number of our different courses, anything from pivot tables to Power Query to advanced charts. Now, what makes this different from most places where you can subscribe to is basically just like our episodes that we have, just like our TV episodes that we have. These are done and created by the top people in the industry, from all the leading websites and from all the leading authors. So you're getting the best thinking from the best people in their specific fields. Maybe scroll up to the top in this example. We can look at data visualization. There's a way to filter those. And we'll say, even in this case, we go into Excel Dashboard Pro. The author of this course has written 2 books so far on data visualization. Just as an example, you'll see the number of lessons, etc. You get an idea of what that looks like. You can come in here and we'll do maintaining the interactive dashboard. And most of these, almost all of these, come with not only the video lesson, which you'll see here, but also downloads, etc. So you have basically everything that you need to be able to complete the course. We hope you come over and check out the website. Thank you for visiting our exhibitor booth. If you'd like to stop by our website and you'd like to take advantage of our academy, we do have a coupon code, which I'll show on the screen now. That'll give you a percentage off. So again, thank you so much for coming by our booth. And until next time, keep on excelling.